Children's apparel is an extremely popular market within the apparel decoration space. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to heat press a onesie using a heat transfer, the Hotronix autoclam, and accessories that you can utilize in case you are not using a heat press that has the ability to interchange platens. So for this, to set yourself up for success, consider some of the accessories that you can utilize. We're going to be using the 6x10 platen on the Hotronix autoclam, but you can also use heat press pillows, print perfect pads, and of course, you'll need your heat transfer. We're going to be using the Goof Proof screen printed transfer for this demonstration, but you can use any heat transfer to your liking. Let's go ahead and head to the heat press. So I already have my 6x10 interchangeable platen loaded onto the Hotronix autoclam. And I'm just going to place this onesie to show you how easily it can be loaded onto this platen and completely isolate that print area. So the idea here is whenever you are pressing onesies is that you want any thick seams or obstructions such as the snaps at the bottom of the onesie to be completely out and away from your print area. So 6x10 platens are extremely great for this purpose, but if you do not have the ability to interchange platens on your heat press, you have the other accessories to utilize. So we have heat printing pillows that allow you to heat press your onesie so that you can just lay it right on that pillow. And whenever you press down, these thick seams will sink down into the pillow and keep your print area raised. Now, if you are working with certain heat transfers, such as screen print transfers, for example, and you cannot use a pillow with that heat transfer, we also have print perfect pads. And what these do is, isolate your print area the same way that a platen would, but what it's doing is actually raising your print area and letting everything else fall off to the side, so nothing is in the way. Right, so you do have those options available to you if you do not have the ability to interchange platens with your heat press. But again, if you are working with a Hotronix machine, the 6x10 platen is ideal for this purpose. Now let's show you how easy it is to heat apply. So as I mentioned, we are working with that screen print transfer known as Goof Proof. This is sourced from Stahls Transfer Express. And we're just going to place that down onto our onesie. And no cover sheet needed for this. This release paper that the screen print transfer is printed onto is going to act as that cover sheet for us. So we can go ahead and lock our press down. This Goof Proof application is going to apply at that low temp of 325 degrees for 15 seconds using a medium to firm pressure. Goof Proof is a hot peel, so we can go ahead and remove that carrier once it's complete. And now we have a custom printed onesie. So there you have it. Heat printing onesies is super simple as long as you're using the right accessories with your heat press. If you're looking for a great resource on where to find onesies, LAT Apparel offers a variety of styles and colors for you to successfully reach this market. For more information on the products used, visit the links in the description.